We're in Surigao coastlines, no? Surigao Sur. If you observe yung ano to, yung tubig diyan, no? Making a close up, umiikot siya. Ito yung mga daming kwando dito sa ano to, sa Surigao or water, yung sea water, no? Yung iniwasan ng mga bangka yan. May time na malakas, no? Yung ikot ng dagat. In the far side, no? The other side, makita nyo doon, no? Coastlines. We're following yung coastlines ng Surigao. We're going Surigao City. This is yung coast, no? Ito yung area ng northern east portion of the island of Mindanao. So far, kami lang yung nagbabiyahe, or few vehicles lang nagbabiyahe. Ito, dinedevelop na view deck to, this area. We're taking a look closely. Yung natural phenomenon. Parang kantil siya, no? Tingin ko dyan hanggang may butas sa earth eh, na hanggang ilalim kasi continuous siya eh. Hinihigop yung dagat ilalim. Marami doon dito sa Surigao na portion. And Surigao also is yung home to the Philippine deepest portion ng earth. Ibaba mo daw yung Mount Everest dyan, kulang pa rin. Ganun kalalim yung Mount Everest. So parking kami, no? Sa gilid ng kalsada. We're having a road trip. Next destination will be yung Lake Mainit, no? In Surigao. So we're driving yung Ford Everest Titanium. Matindi, no? Matindi yung performance.